Learn how to create your own pixel art, then bring them to life. Hey there, I'm 50. I'm a pixel animator. You'll be creating your own original character using elements from reference like color and shape to add expression and personality that tell a story from a glance. We'll try to study the appearance of materials before practicing drawing elements and backgrounds to support your character's narrative while making it stand out. We'll master animation principle and technique like maintaining consistent frame, pacing, and timing to give your artwork dynamism and personality through motion. Creating art and breathing life into it is something I find artists of all skill level can enjoy doing, and I can't wait to see what you guys can come up with. I'm FifthTee55, a pixel animator, and I will be waiting for you at Colossal.